Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
I have set my base with moisturizer, primer and a lightweight foundation. Mattify it with a setting powder. Press the powder into the skin for a flawless finish. Fill brows and brush them. Apply a sunset orange shade on your lids. Dab a matte golden shade to the center of your lids. Blend both shades. Use a gel-based eyeliner. Apply mascara. It's time for falsies. Carefully hold the lash with a plucker and dot the glue in a line. Let the glue dry for 30 seconds before you apply. This keeps the lash from slipping. Carefully place the falsies above your lash line and press gently. Apply a quick coat of mascara for a natural effect. Dab inner corner of your eyes with highlighter to make them pop. Bronze cheeks. Add some blush. Highlight your cheeks, bridge of your nose, forehead and Cupid's bow with a highlighter. Apply a matte nude shade and coat with a lip gloss. For a monotone look, apply a bit of eyeshadow to the center of your lip.